Bruno Mars is said to have amassed a wealth of roughly $175 million, as stated by the most reliable sources available on the internet. Through concert global tours, brand endorsement deals, and music royalties, the musician who became the recipient of a Grammy Award has amassed a significant amount of cash. The panorama of music and celebrity fortunes is constantly shifting, and personalities such as Bruno Mars are able to convey the essence of success and financial prowess in this moving context. Fans find the net worth of this legendary musician to be fascinating. Bruno Mars' journey is a riveting story of ability, determination, and savvy financial navigation. It begins with his humble beginnings in Honolulu and ends with him becoming a global celebrity over the course of his career. This video delves into the complexities of his financial situation, analyzing how his musical prowess, economic acumen, and personal choices have contributed to the formation of an enormous net worth that serves as a testament to his enduring influence in the entertainment world. The life story of Bruno Mars is one of amazing skill and a rich lifestyle that is linked with the benefits of fame and fortune. The story of Mars' financial situation is almost as fascinating as his music, with an estimated net worth of $175 million in the year 2024. Continue reading as we take a look at the factors that have contributed to Bruno Mars' nine-figure net worth, which has made him a centimillionaire. From his early life in Honolulu to his global hits, lucrative tours, and current endeavors, we will show you a complete picture of his financial journey. The beginning of Bruno Mars' life. The beginning of his journey in Honolulu. Peter Gene Hernandez, better known as Bruno Mars, experienced his first taste of fame in the picturesque city of Honolulu, which is located in the state of Hawaii. When Mars was just 2 years old, he already began to demonstrate his abilities as the youngest Elvis impersonator in the world. He was thrust into the spotlight at a young age, which laid the groundwork for his subsequent success. His Filipino, Jewish, and Puerto Rican family provided him with a musical atmosphere that further cultivated his innate abilities, creating the groundwork for a career that would eventually dominate music charts all over the world. Mars' musical milestones are examined via the lens of chart-topping hits. The road that Bruno Mars took to reach the pinnacle of the music industry was marked by a number of songs that topped the charts. Mars has not only been responsible for defining an entire generation of music with songs such as Just the Way You Are and Uptown Funk, but they have also propelled the band to the pinnacle of world popularity and financial success. His standing in the business has been strengthened as a result of these singles, which have garnered praise from both fans and critics alike. Additionally, these hits have been a substantial contributor to his financial success, as seen by his top rankings on the music charts and streaming music sales. Awards and accolades. The extraordinary phenomenon that is Grammy winning. The trophy cabinet of Bruno Mars is a monument to his musical genius, as it has no fewer than 15 Grammy prizes in addition to other important prizes. A career that has continuously broken barriers and set new standards in the music industry is a career that has been recognized with these honors, which are emblems of critical acclaim and markers of that career. His marketability and thus his net worth are both increased as a result of each award, which highlights his influence and contribution to current music. Earnings from tours and potential business ventures are the financial highs. In addition to the recording studio, Mars has a full awareness of the financial world. His tours, most notably the 24K Magic Tour, have brought in enormous sums of money, which has considerably contributed to the expansion of his wealth. His explorations into the spirit industry with Selveray Rum and his collaboration with Fender to create a trademark Stratocaster guitar are two examples of his business endeavors that demonstrate a great awareness of the value of different brands. He has demonstrated his ability to efficiently monetize his brand through these business initiatives, which have contributed significantly to his wealthy status. A comprehensive analysis of the wealth of Bruno Mars. The nine-figure net worth that Bruno Mars has amassed is the result of his prosperous musical career, shrewd business decisions, strategic alliances, and personal brand endorsements. This figure is a representation of his earnings as a result of this continual growth story and his career progression in an industry that is constantly evolving. Underscoring his all-encompassing strategy for the development of riches is the fact that he has a wide range of income sources, ranging from singles that top the charts to tours that gross a lot of money and endorsement deals that are intelligent. There is a debt of $50 million owed to MGM by Bruno Mars. There have been rumors that Bruno Mars is in debt with MGM Resorts International, a multinational hotel and entertainment firm. MGM Resorts International has disputed these allegations according to a report by Complex.com and other sources. According to a statement that was issued to Complex by MGM, the company said, "We are proud of our relationship with Bruno Mars, one of the world's most thrilling and dynamic performers. Bruno's entertainment brand captures the attention of people from all around the world, as evidenced by his performances at Dolby Live at Park MGM and the recently opened Pinky Ring Lounge at Bellagio. There has been a long-standing connection between MGM and Bruno, which is founded on mutual respect. The following is an excerpt from the statement, "Any speculation to the contrary is false. He has no debt with MGM." It gives us great pleasure to continue to provide our guests with experiences that they will never forget. Mars Investments, managing fame and fortune with dedication. The real estate assets of Bruno Mars include a number of properties that are rather significant. A wine cellar and an entertainer's resort are among the facilities that can be found in his property, which is 9,000 square feet in size and located in Fryman Canyon in Studio City. The home is estimated at $6.5 million. Also, he owned a mansion in Los Angeles that was sold for more than $3 million, as well as a property in East Honolulu that was worth $3.5 million and included a recording studio. It is estimated that his Gulfstream G 550 jet, which he has dubbed Mars Rider and is valued at approximately $42 million, is his most lavish item. His success and his appreciation for luxury are both on display in this collection. Mars has been thoughtful in the way that he has handled his fortune. This demonstrates that he takes a systematic approach to maintenance and increase of his wealth through his investments in real estate and other personal assets. This superstar is just as astute with his finances as he is with his music, as evidenced by the intelligent financial decisions he has made, in addition to the revenues he has made from his music and commercial endeavors. Personal life and legal challenges have an impact on a person's net worth. The voyage of Bruno Mars has not been devoid of his involvement in legal conflicts. His career has been marred by the fact that he has been involved in a number of copyright litigation. Despite the fact that these legal difficulties are troubling, they have not severely derailed his financial trajectory. This is due in part to the fact that he has had a successful career and has managed his finances prudently. Although his life, which includes a long-term romance with Jessica Cabin, is largely kept private, it does play a role in the narrative of his financial situation nonetheless. Having a residency in Las Vegas is like having a sword with two edges. A significant source of money and a demonstration of Mars' ongoing appeal. His residency in Las Vegas is a testimony to his popularity. Mars is believed to generate roughly $90 million annually, $1.3 million per concert, from his residency at MGM, as stated by several sources. The story of Bruno Mars' net worth in 2024 is a story of extraordinary skill, astute business decisions, and the unavoidable difficulties that come with fame. It is a remarkable narrative of achievement, resilience, and the difficulty of managing enormous money that he went from being a youthful Elvis impersonator in Honolulu to becoming a global music sensation and businessman. As we look to the future, it appears like Bruno Mars' financial destiny, just like his music, is set to continue holding the attention of people all around the world. Final thoughts. A tale that is filled with musical victories, savvy financial methods, and the inevitable obstacles of stardom, Bruno Mars' road to building his net worth through the year 2024 is a narrative that is rich with musical opportunities. It is a larger story of perseverance, inventiveness, and the challenges involved in maintaining and expanding riches in the public eye that his journey from being a young entertainer in Hawaii to being a global legend is a reflection of. The complex character of celebrity wealth is highlighted by the fact that this success, in conjunction with financial knowledge and the capacity to maneuver through the ups and downs of fame, shows that celebrities are wealthy. The narrative of Bruno Mars is more than just a story about amassing fortune. It is a lesson in how skill, dedication, and intelligent decision-making merge to form one's financial destiny. As a result, he is noteworthy in debates about the process of intelligently acquiring wealth. It is important to remember that behind every headline-grabbing net worth figure is a nuanced story of skill, hard effort, and the unrelenting quest of perfection. Bruno Mars' path serves as a reminder of this fact. Tell us about your opinions in the comments section below. Also, subscribe to our channel for more details. Thanks for watching.